Hey everyone, it's Karen, and if you need more money, you are in the right place, because in this video, you'll get 7 of the best side hustles for extra money. I know things can get difficult at times, things break down, you need to pay the bills, you need to save up for things, or you just need to take a vacation. Either way, I got you covered. All of these are legitimate. Some of them you can earn a great part-time income, and some of them you can even make a full-time income. But make sure you stick around to the end, because the last 3 are my favorite and the ones that I've made the most money with. So let's go ahead and get started right now. The first side hustle you can do is to become a mystery shopper, and this is where market research companies and organizations measure the quality of sales, service, job performance, and other information about a market or competitors, including products or services. I found someone who has been a mystery shopper for 10 years part-time, and she loves it. Sometimes she will go to 3 banks in an hour and a half and pretend like she's opening an account and get paid $60. She has to come home and fill out an evaluation and upload their business card, and that's it. She said it's really easy money. There are plenty of websites out there like this, and this one, and this one. And the average pay is around $20 an hour. So you can become a mystery shopper for restaurants, grocery stores, gas stations, banks, hotels, and pharmacies, just to name a few. Next, you can make money on Merch by Amazon, which is Amazon's print on demand. This is completely free for you to upload your designs, and you can make money through the sale of branded products designed by you, and you earn a royalty for every product sold with no out-of-pocket cost to you. And here's an example of how much you would make. For example, if you sold a t-shirt for $15.99, you'd make $2.21. If you sold one for $21.99, you'd make $6.74. If you want to learn how to do this step by step, I would recommend going to Udemy, and there's several free courses in there or very inexpensive courses like this one here, Merch by Amazon Masterclass, the complete beginner's guide for only $12.99. It's 5 hours. So that would be a really good way to get started. Again, there's several hundred in here, free courses on Merch by Amazon. But don't underestimate how much money you can make with this because of Amazon's traffic. I know someone making $6,000 a month with just one t-shirt that took off. So definitely check this out because, again, it's completely free. Oh, and by the way, if you want to learn my #1 recommendation for making money from home, that'll be the first link in the description below this video. You can go ahead and click on it and check it out if you'd like. The next side hustle is to become a virtual assistant. This is great work you can do from home for businesses and individuals, and there's a lot of tasks you can do like email management, editing, making phone calls, scheduling appointments, proofreading, and social media management, just to name a few. You can go to a website called Zirtual.com and apply to be a virtual assistant for companies. Now, you do need a college education and live in the United States, but if that's something you're interested in, just scroll down to the bottom of the website and click on Work for Zirtual, and then apply to be a virtual assistant. Next, you can start a YouTube channel. Now, you don't have to show your face. There's plenty of people making a full-time income where they don't get on camera, like this channel right here, and they're making around $1,000 a month, or this channel right here, and they're making several $1,000s a month. And most likely these channels are outsourcing the making of all of their videos. In fact, I know someone who got their channel monetized by outsourcing to a team in the Philippines in just 2 months, is making over $1,000 a month with AdSense revenue, and that will only increase as he gets more videos made and posted. Generally, you don't get monetized that fast, and you get monetized when you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, but it's possible. You can also make money with sponsorship deals in addition to Google AdSense revenue, and then you can also sell merchandise on your channel relating to the topic of your videos. And my favorite is being an affiliate for a product and earning money by placing your affiliate link in the description of your videos. The next way is affiliate marketing, and I'm going to show you a powerful way to make recurring income with YouTube and affiliate marketing in addition to ad revenue. Let's take the example of Kartra, which is an all-in-one marketing platform that has all these features right here. You can sign up for free to become an affiliate and earn 40% commissions when someone keeps the software past the free trial. But take a look at this. If we go to vidIQ, which is a keyword tool, and we type in Kartra, you can see all these keywords that have low competition and good search volume. For example, just the keyword Kartra gets over 25,000 searches a month and has very low competition. And there's a lot of keywords that you can use in here to create videos around, like Kartra review, Kartra tutorial, what is Kartra, how to use Kartra, the pricing, the 30-day trial. You can compare and contrast it to ClickFunnels and some of the other funnel builders and autoresponders like GetResponse. how does Kartra work? So most likely people who are searching these keywords are interested in purchasing Kartra, or at least taking the 30-day free trial. Actually, it's 14-day free trial, but if you're there and you go to click off of it, it'll give you an option to take the 30-day trial. People have done videos about Kartra 30-day trial because people want to know, how do you get the 30-day trial? Well, those people that are looking for that keyword haven't gotten the free trial yet. So those are people who may take the free trial, and then you could earn commissions when they keep the software. Yes, you'd have to learn the software, but wouldn't it be worth it to be making really good recurring commissions every month? And then you would have a call to action at the end of all your videos to take the free trial. And if they went through your link, you could offer a bonus of some really high converting funnels. They could link automatically into their account. So you could have someone do this for you on Fiverr and create a really good looking bonus page and have a way for them to contact you after they have their free trial and they continue to use the software, because you'd be earning, starting out $40 per month, the person you referred, all the way up to $200 per month if they upgraded. So this could really add up to a really great income. And yes, it would take work to get these videos created, which you could do with any screen recording software. But these are videos that will be up and people finding you for literally years and signing up for the free trial through your link. And then a certain percentage of people will continue to use the paid prescription. Next, you can make money with blogging. And yes, people still do make good money with blogging. This will take you longer to make money, but it definitely can turn into full-time income. You can make money through affiliate products, ad revenue, and then you can also rent out space on your blog when it starts to get enough traffic, like John Chow does here. Of course, he's been blogging for a long time and gets a lot of traffic, but this is another way that you can make money from a blog. So you can see on the right-hand side here, where if you click your ad here, if you get this ad, you'll pay him $1,000 per month. So you can see how you can earn money from people renting space on your blog. This is one of the best courses that I've found, Income School, on creating a full-time income with blogging. And they have a step-by-step process on how to replace your income predictably within 24 months. And I created a video on how you can make $8,000 a month blogging, and I will post that in the description of this video. So definitely check that out if you're interested in either writing or outsourcing writing. And the next is gig apps. You could replace your income with just one of these apps, or you could combine them. My husband works Uber Eats and Uber together and generally makes $2,000 a week, which includes some really good bonuses that they're offering right now. I drive Uber Eats part-time and I've made about $3,000 in a little over 3 months, so around $1,000 a month. And I made a video on my experience, and I'll post that in the description below this video. One of the things I mentioned is that you can get paid daily. You could actually sign up for Uber Eats and get approved within an hour, which is what happened with me, and be making money within an hour. And you can cash this out 5 times a day. It only costs you 50 cents. So let's say you wanted to go out and make $20. You could do that and cash it out, and it literally is in your bank account within 5 minutes of you cashing it out. So again, I'll post that in the description below this video, my experience with Uber Eats. And then another app is Instacart, and that's where you sign up to shop for people and then deliver it to them. And I know someone who is making $2,000 a week doing this. He said you have to get out there really early to get the good batches, and he makes generally about $300 a day. Yes, it does take some work, but this is a way that you can make some really good money. And another app I wanted to mention is TaskRabbit. I've hired a lot of people through this app, and it's really great. Now, if you want to sign up to be a tasker, it does cost a one-time fee of $25, but after that it's free. So you can do a lot of different things through this app. You can see all the different categories that you can make money doing. You decide your rate, so you can see what others are charging in your area. But I think there'll always be a demand for these type of services. One of the people I hired, Rachel, she makes a full-time income through this app, and she said she doesn't have to advertise. It's all done through the site. She said she started because she hated her job and working for someone else, and so she's been working full-time for herself for years through TaskRabbit, so definitely something for you to check out. Thanks for sticking around to the end of this video, guys. And I'd like to hear below which of these methods you might try, or if you have any tips for anyone. Let's continue the learning with this next video, how to make $99 per hour with Google certifications, which is completely free. Go ahead and click here. It's getting started right now.